Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to be showing you how I take off the skirting that was put around my house about a year ago. It's held up very well, so we're going to see how easy it is to take it off. Most of you guys know I'm moving on November 30th, so this is one of the things I have to get done before the winter. Basically, before it gets cold, it makes it easier to get the wood out of the ground, so the ground isn't so hard. It's about 60 degrees out right now, so we're going to go out in the backyard and take off the skirting on my house. These were put in here with those types of screws, so I'm gonna have to get those out a different way. I can't pry them out, but looks like we're doing good so far. I can finally see what's underneath all my skirting. Still gotta get behind this skirting. Another cocoon. Big old spider. Here. I'll leave that one there. Just in case it wants to come back for its babies. See that one? There's a spider in there and he's moving. I don't want to ruin his home. We'll figure it out later. Centipedes. I kid you not, it went from like winter to summer in the matter of like 2 hours. So I came in, had to change my clothes. I still have my hoodie, but let's get back to work. I am hoping that we could do a team lift and put this in with the golf cart when it is time to move. If not, I will have to take out some of that wood and put it in another tarp, which I still have some stuff to take off the house. All of this still needs to be taken off, so we're gonna put that in another tarp as well as all of that. Hopefully it fits. Not sure if I should keep those boards on there or if I should try to pry them out. And then we also have to do down there. Kept some of the wood in there, and I actually had to hire somebody to get the framing out because I could not do it. All of this framing was taken out with a power drill because there was rebar in the ground, so that's all of the wood that I'm not going to be bringing. Now you guys can see where I can level it if the skirting wasn't on. We're going to keep that piece in there. We took the rebar out of the ground, kept that piece of wood on there, except for that nail right there I'm going to have to take out. Also kept that piece of wood in, taking that with me. So we should be good to go with our skirting. That actually took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. It took me about 3-4 hours to do the outside boards, and then I actually had to hire somebody to finish the framing, to take off the framing. For the most part, we got everything done. I got all the screws out of the places that I needed. We're going to be taking most of that skirting with us. I don't think I'm going to be putting the skirting on the same exact way in the new place, just because that was a lot of work to take off by myself, but it was secure and very solid. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, what's up? Ugh. You can put that in the bloopers.